In this video, I'll show you how you can convert a PowerPoint into a Google Slides. Now this is super simple, guys, so let's get straight into it. Now first, what you want to do is you want to have your PowerPoint. You want to go to File, Save As, and save it somewhere you can easily find it. Now once you've done this, what you want to do is head over to your Google Drive and upload it on your Google Drive. As you can see right here, I have the file and it's uploaded right here. Now then what you want to do is you want to click on the three little dots and hover open with, press Google Slides. Now this will open up a Google Slides for you, and as you can see, the PowerPoint has now been converted. Now this is a Google Slides right here, and it will function like a Google Slides. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. It's super simple. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.